Some variables must not be changed. If we can change constants or if we can change imported modules, it will cause confusion. To prevent these problems, const variable is created in ES6. In this video, we'll learn how to use const variables in ES6. How can you use const variable? It's simple. Just change var to const. It's done. If I try to reassign v with other value like 4 and try to run it, it throws an error. As you can see, it threw a type error, assignment to constant variable. So you learned how to use const variable. Some of you might have think that it's the end of the video, and I should say, thank you for watching and see you in the next video, but it's not the end of the story. There are some pitfalls and caveats in constant variable. From this moment, I will tell you what they are. Take a look at this code. What if I change the fields in the const object O? Can I change them? Or will it throw an error? Let's do this. I assigned A with number 3 and B with number 4. And let's learn it. As you can see, the value of field A and B are changed to 3 and 4. We declared object as const, but why did this happen? Because const keyword doesn't make your variable immutable. Immutable means that you cannot change anything, anything in the object. Then, what should we do if we want to make our object immutable? We should use freeze function in object. Okay, let's do this. Type in Object.freeze and type in O. And let's change the values of the object O like A to 3 and B to 5. And let's run the code. What do you think about the result? Will they be changed? Actually, they didn't. It's because object is frozen, so you cannot change any value in the object. Unfortunately, freeze function also has a problem. If your object is nested like this, it cannot freeze the nested object. Let's check it out. I freeze the object O, and the object is assigned to the field C in the object of the O. Let's change the fields of the inner object. O.C.F equals 4 and O.C.G 5. Console.log O.C.F and G. Can you guess the result? Let's check it out by running it. Node nested freeze.js and press enter. As you can see, the value is changed again to 4 and 5. Then what should we do to make our nested object immutable? The answer is deepFreeze library. Let's install deepFreeze library by typing in npm i-s capital S deepFreeze and press enter. deepFreeze library is installed, and let's import it by typing in var deepFreeze and require deepFreeze. And let's use this object. Let's use this function. deepFreeze and O. Let's try to change the field of the inner object. O.C.F 4 and O.C.G O. And console.log does. Then let's run the code. What will happen? As you can see, the value is not changed. The deepFreeze function froze the entire object. Some of you might be curious how the deepFreeze function is implemented. You can check it out by finding the function definition in the Node modules folder. If you cannot find Node modules folder here, you should click this refresh button and you can find the Node modules folder. Then click it and click deepFreeze folder and click index.js folder. As you can see, the code is very simple. It freezes the object and it loops through each field and check whether it is an object and whether it is frozen. And if it is not frozen, and it recursively frees the object. We learned everything about the const keyword. So let's review what we have learned. You should use const keyword if you want to make your variable not to be reassigned. And the const keyword doesn't make your object immutable. So if you want to make it immutable, use Object.freeze function or deepFreeze module. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.